watch out.
Alright. It's determining how much headroom we have, huh?
Yes. Very, very important. This is our 4th floor.
Yeah.
And this will actually automatically stop.
Sweet.
So, emergency on. And that's it.
Alright.
So, now emergency off and go down. And we should be seeing the counterweight somewhere midway. These switches.
We'll have to pay attention. This elevator does not like going down to the basement. Sometimes it'll get stuck down there, so we might not want to go all the way down.
Well,
and there's the counterweight.
There's the counterweight.
Or should it not be stuck right now?
It should not be stuck right now because we have it in inspection mode.
Okay.
But we can always climb out of it. How deep is the basement?
It's basically maybe
just one floor.
Yeah, just one floor.
Okay, yeah, we can. It's not a problem to get out.
All right.
And actually, it will stop on the basement floor. And there it is. Emergency on. Okay, these switches are basically floor detectors. So, basically, there's a railing, and let me bring this up to you. So, emergency off. So,
oh wow, that's wiggy.
This railing. Okay, basically, right now, when it engages, it closes the circuit, and it tells the elevator that we're like approaching first floor.
Okay.
And it will stop at approximately this point. Now, there's a switch just like this on the bottom of the car that engages when it hits this point to, you know, if it goes down or something. So, emergency off. Kind of like a demonstration. Show our counterweight going past us. You can kind of hear the switch clicking. And then there's a very similar switch. Probably can't be seen in the video because my shadow is kind of blocking it over on this end. And it's just basically for a finer grain of movement of the elevator, kind of slow it down. And as we're approaching the very last floor, it will kick off and not let us move any further. And this is just a fire alarm. And that's the basics of elevator surfing in very tight, cramped elevators. And that's it. Okay, this device is obviously a lamp used by maintenance for obvious reasons to give light in this very, very dark, cramped spot, which is also very, very hot right now. This device, on the other hand, keeps the car stable. It basically, there are two rollers on the sides and one kind of in the front that keep the car stable on the rail. Not much to demonstrating it. Pretty straightforward mechanical operation there. Very, very simple. Alright, the two giant circles that you see here is actually the door opening mechanism. As you can see, the third floor door, outside door, just sliding past us. Okay. This is the door mechanism. There's basically a latch attached to that switch. Anytime the circuit is open, basically it puts the elevator into emergency mode, and it doesn't move anywhere until that switch is closed. And this is a safety feature. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to break your Hollywood experience. You don't die at the very top of an elevator shaft like in Mission Impossible, but this, you know, you certainly don't have to be stupid to try that. So please don't try this at home. This video was made in guidance by professional advice, this is a very dangerous and illegal activity. So please don't try this at home. Instead, just watch this video at home with your cat, sipping some sweet tea and popcorn.
Okay.
So we're going up. As you can see, there are these two rollers that are coming up on the second floor. What happens is when the car is those two rollers, the car basically attaches to those two rollers with this shoe, metal shoe, and it releases the lever when the mechanism engages. And then it basically pulls the doors apart, and the doors open. So very, very simple, very, very straightforward mechanism. We're coming up on our last floor of our little 3-story building. And the elevator car will automatically stop on the very, very, very last before you reach the ceiling, which is very, very nice.